Make sure grinder's unplugged or turn it off at the power. Then undo the front 2 screws to remove the chute. Once removed, clean all excess coffee out of the chute using a brush. Then remove spring and excess coffee, lightly brush. Best to use a vacuum to get all the excess coffee through that chute. Then all up in the top to clean all the excess coffee grounds. Then using your hands just to turn the burrs around to rotate to get all of the excess coffee out. Then using your brush, you want to brush each section of where the impellers are. Using the vacuum, it's faster. As you can see, right through, now all clean. So you'll get any residual fine particles or oils and stuff. Then place your spring back into the chute. Make sure it's lined up with the 2 screw holes. Press with your thumbs to lock it in. Then when placing the chute back on, line the screws up in the center of that. Make sure that they go through the center of the spring hook, and then gently screw them up, and only hand tight right till they feel firm. Then grab your cup and stick it underneath the chute, pushing the pulse button just a little bit each time, and then gradually get faster and faster, and then longer pulses, and then you should be able to get into a nice long pulse so it's coming out nice and smooth. That way your coffee will flow out and won't have any blockages.